Eating meat every day. How it helps build strong muscles and support a healthy body. In today's world of diets and food trends, people often hear conflicting advice about what to eat. But one thing is clear: meat is one of the most powerful foods for building strong muscles. Eating meat every single day in healthy portions can give your body the strength, energy, and nutrients it needs, not just to survive, but to thrive. Meat as a source of high-quality protein. Muscles are made of protein. When you exercise or do physical work, your muscle fibers break down slightly. To repair and grow stronger, your body needs complete proteins, proteins that contain all the essential amino acids. Meat, especially from animals like cows, chickens, pigs, sheep, and fish, provides complete protein in every bite. Unlike many plant-based sources of protein, meat doesn't need to be combined with other foods to give the body everything it needs. Just one serving of meat can provide 20 to 30 grams of protein, depending on the type. This is especially useful for athletes, bodybuilders, growing children, and anyone who wants to stay physically strong. The building blocks of muscles. Our muscles don't grow by magic. They grow with amino acids, which are found in high amounts in meat. Some of the most important ones include leucine, key for muscle repair and growth; isoleucine and valine, help with energy and recovery after exercise; creatine, found naturally in red meat, supports power, strength, and high-intensity performance. These nutrients work together in the body to help muscles recover faster after workouts and grow over time. Without enough of them, muscle growth is slower and weaker. Meat provides more than just protein. While protein is the main reason meat helps build muscle, it's not the only reason. Meat also gives us vitamins and minerals that are hard to get from plant-based foods. These include iron, especially heme iron, helps carry oxygen to your muscles; zinc, supports tissue growth and healing; vitamin B12, essential for energy and red blood cell production; niacin, riboflavin, and vitamin B6 help turn food into usable energy. Together, these nutrients not only help your body grow muscle, but also give your cells the fuel they need to work at their best. When you eat meat daily, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're strengthening your entire body. Meat keeps you full and satisfied. Another benefit of eating meat every day is that it helps keep you full longer. Meat takes longer to digest than many other foods, which means your stomach stays satisfied and you're less likely to snack on junk food. This helps people stay on track with healthy eating and avoid gaining excess fat while building muscle. A meal with meat, like grilled chicken, steak, or salmon, can give lasting energy for hours. For people trying to lose fat while keeping muscle, this is a major advantage. Meat supports recovery and performance. Muscle strength isn't just about lifting weights, it's also about recovering quickly and being able to move your body every day without fatigue. Meat provides recovery-boosting nutrients like creatine, helps muscles store energy and recover faster; taurine and carnosine. Found in meat, they protect muscles from stress and support better athletic performance; collagen and gelatin, from skin and bones, help keep joints and ligaments strong. When you eat meat regularly, especially after physical activity, your body is more likely to bounce back with less soreness and more strength for the next challenge. Meat for all ages and lifestyles. Some people think meat is only for athletes or bodybuilders, but the truth is, everyone can benefit from daily meat, especially as we age. After age 30, humans naturally lose muscle over time, a condition called sarcopenia. This can lead to weakness, poor balance, and a greater risk of falls. Eating meat every day helps prevent this natural muscle loss. Combined with light exercise like walking or stretching, meat helps older adults stay active, independent, and full of energy. For children and teenagers, meat supports growth during the most important stages of development. Their bodies are growing fast, and they need high-quality nutrients like iron, zinc, and protein to build strong bones and muscles. Common myths about eating meat. Daily. Some people worry that eating meat every day is unhealthy, but much of this fear comes from misunderstanding. When people think of meat, they often think of fried, salty, processed foods like bacon, hot dogs, or fast food burgers. These can be unhealthy in large amounts, but lean, fresh meat is a different story. Examples of healthy daily meats include grilled chicken breast, grass-fed beef steak, baked salmon or sardines, turkey breast, boiled eggs, and organ meats like liver. These are full of muscle-building protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients, without the added chemicals and unhealthy oils found in processed meat. To stay healthy, it's best to cook meat simply: grill, bake, steam, or boil. Limit the use of deep frying or high-sugar sauces. Eating meat every day, when done in a balanced and mindful way, is one of the most effective habits for building and maintaining strong muscles. It provides complete protein, essential vitamins, powerful amino acids, and long-lasting energy. Whether you're young, old, active, or just beginning to take care of your body, daily meat can help you grow stronger and stay healthier. Of course, it's important to listen to your body. Some people may need to adjust based on their personal health or beliefs. But for many, especially those working towards stronger muscles, meat is a natural, effective, and time-tested food to include every day. So if you want strong muscles, steady energy, and a healthy body, don't be afraid to make meat a part of your daily meals. Meat is a great supplement for our muscles, a natural way to build strength. When people talk about getting stronger and building muscle, they often mention protein shakes, pills, or other artificial supplements. But what if the best supplement for your muscles is not found in a plastic container? What if it's found right on your plate? The truth is, meat is one of the best natural supplements for building and maintaining strong muscles. Whether you're a young athlete, a busy adult, or an elderly person trying to stay active, eating meat regularly can help your muscles grow, recover, and stay strong. It's a powerful source of nutrients that support your health in many ways: naturally, effectively, and deliciously. 1. Meat is a complete protein source. To build muscles, your body needs protein, but not all protein is created equal. Meat contains complete protein, which means it has all the essential amino acids your body needs. These amino acids are the building blocks of muscles. Some of the most important amino acids found in meat include leucine, activates muscle growth; isoleucine, helps with energy during exercise; valine, supports muscle repair and tissue growth; creatine, boosts performance and muscle recovery. These nutrients work together to build muscle tissue, repair muscle fibers after workouts, and make you stronger over time. That's why meat is not just food, it's fuel. 2. Meat naturally contains muscle-boosting nutrients. Many people spend money on vitamins and powders to support muscle health, but meat already contains many of the most important ones. Iron, especially heme iron, carries oxygen to your muscles. Zinc, supports healing and muscle repair. Vitamin B12, boosts energy and helps form red blood cells. Vitamin B6, helps your body use protein effectively. Creatine, improves performance during weightlifting or sprinting. These nutrients are easier for the body to absorb when they come from meat compared to synthetic supplements. That's why meat acts as a natural supplement. Your body knows exactly how to use what's in it. 3. Meat helps prevent muscle loss. As we age, our muscles naturally begin to shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. This can make everyday tasks harder and increase the risk of falls and injuries. But eating meat regularly helps keep your muscles from wasting away. Studies show that older adults who eat enough high-quality protein, especially from meat, can maintain more muscle mass and strength. This means they stay more independent, active, and healthy. Even if you're young, eating meat helps you build and keep muscle, especially when combined with regular movement or resistance training. Meat gives your body what it needs to stay strong for life. 4. Meat aids in faster recovery. After a hard workout, your muscles need time and nutrients to recover. Meat speeds up this process. The amino acids in meat repair tiny tears in your muscle fibers, making them stronger. Red meat like beef is especially rich in creatine, which gives your muscles quick energy. This helps you perform better and recover faster. Chicken, turkey, and fish are lean sources of protein that can help reduce inflammation and soreness after intense activity. Eating meat after exercise is one of the most effective ways to support muscle recovery and growth. 5. Meat gives you long-lasting energy. When you're building muscle, it's not just about lifting weights, it's also about having enough energy to stay active. Meat provides long-lasting fuel. Protein gives you stable energy without the crashes you might get from sugary foods. Healthy fats in meat, especially from fish and grass-fed beef, help with hormone production and brain function. Iron and B vitamins keep your blood healthy and your body energized. Eating meat as part of your daily meals helps you avoid fatigue, keeps your body moving, and supports your workout goals. 6. Types of meat that are great for muscle support. Not all meats are the same, but many of them can be excellent for muscle growth. Here are some of the best meats to include in your diet. Chicken breast, lean, high in protein, low in fat, great for daily meals. Beef, lean cuts, rich in protein, iron, and creatine. Turkey, low in calories, high in protein, great for muscle definition. Fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation. Eggs, often considered nature's perfect protein, full of vitamins and easy to prepare. Liver and organ meats, extremely rich in nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin A. These meats can be cooked in healthy ways, grilled, baked, steamed, to provide maximum benefits without added fats or sugars. 7. Meat is better than many. Processed supplements. Many people take protein powders, pills, and bars to gain muscle. While these can help in some cases, they often contain artificial flavors, preservatives, added sugar, synthetic ingredients. Whole meat doesn't need a label full of chemicals. It's natural, rich in nutrients, and gives your body what it actually needs, not just what the marketing promises. If you're looking for a powerful supplement, meat is the real thing. It's the original muscle food, trusted by athletes, warriors, and builders for generations. If you're trying to build muscle, get stronger, or simply stay active and healthy, meat is one of the best supplements you can eat. It's packed with high-quality protein, muscle-building amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. It helps your body recover, gives you energy, and keeps you full. Instead of depending on processed powders or expensive pills, you can simply eat real food. Meat has helped people stay strong for thousands of years, and it can help you too. Remember to choose lean meats, cook them in healthy ways, and combine them with a balanced diet and exercise. When you do that, meat becomes more than food. It becomes your partner in strength. Conclusion: eating meat in your meals is one of the best ways to stay full, satisfied, and energized throughout the day. Meat is rich in protein, helps control hunger hormones, gives lasting energy, and reduces the number of meals you need. Instead of eating again and again, one meat-based meal can keep you going for hours. Whether it's breakfast with eggs, lunch with chicken, or dinner with fish, meat helps your body stay strong, your stomach stay full, and your mind stay focused. When you eat smart, you don't have to eat more. You just have to eat better. So the next time you feel hungry too often, try adding some healthy meat to your meal. You might be surprised at how long it keeps you full.